Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cheesecake, a delicious dessert that has been around for centuries. So, let's get started. Cheesecake is a classic dessert that has been around for thousands of years. It's believed that the ancient Greeks were the first to create a cheesecake-like dessert, using a mixture of cheese, honey, and wheat. This dish was then brought to Rome by the Romans, where it was known as libum. Over the years, cheesecake has evolved into the delicious dessert we know and love today. In the 19th century, cheesecake became popular in the United States, where it was often served at social gatherings and celebrations. Today, cheesecake is enjoyed all over the world and comes in a variety of flavors and styles. When it comes to cheesecake, there are a few key ingredients that make it so irresistible. First, there's the cream cheese, which gives the cheesecake its signature rich and creamy texture. Next, there's the sugar, which helps to balance out the tanginess of the cream cheese. And finally, there's the egg, which helps to bind everything together and gives the cheesecake its light and fluffy texture. Now, let's talk about the different styles of cheesecake. There are two main types of cheesecake: New York style and Philadelphia style. New York style cheesecake is dense and creamy, while Philadelphia style cheesecake is lighter and fluffier. Both styles are delicious in their own way, and it's up to you to decide which one you prefer. When it comes to serving cheesecake, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to let the cheesecake cool completely before cutting into it. This will help to prevent the cheesecake from cracking. Second, it's best to serve cheesecake room temperature or chilled, as this will help to maintain its texture and flavor. And there you have it, folks, a brief history and guide to cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed this little trip down the cheesecake lane, and I encourage you to try making your own cheesecake at home. It's a delicious and fun project that anyone can do. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and foodie fun. Until next time, happy eating!